What does the fully automatic carpet printing production line look like? 1000 diameter roller heat transfer machine. Cooperate with an automatic rewinding machine. 4 workers can form a perfect carpet digital printing production line, running 24 hours a day. The machine doesn't need to stop working. A production line like this. What do you think the monthly output should be? The roller heat press machine is an important machine in the digital heat transfer printing production process. Regardless of the type of fabric you process, the final quality and effect are closely related to the quality of the roller heat press machine. Carpet materials are generally thick and require higher stability in the quality of the roller heat press machine. We are a roller heat press machine manufacturer. If you are currently engaged in the printing production of carpet and bathroom diatomaceous earth floor mats, you can consult me. Perhaps I can help you improve printing quality and increase production efficiency. Please use the Jiangchuan roller heat press machine.